Hi and welcome to WEH Videos. My name is Skip and this is a quick video to let you know that my Digital Navigation Log version 2 is now available. It works the same as before and you need to be familiar with how to fill out a navigation log to use this, and you can check out my video series on the navigation log. There'll be a link to that below. So nothing's really has changed other than the fact that now you can save your work. So I have already gone ahead and filled out the flight plan, and then I closed it out for whatever reason, and now I want to come back and finish the flight plan. So I can come over here to load leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and so on. So I click on load leg 1. And that brings up the information that I have entered before. And I continue doing this with the legs that I have filled out before. And this can be handy if you make the same flight over and over again. You can come and you can edit each leg. So for instance, we want to clear leg 2 and put some new values in there. And then we can save leg 2, or we can load it back and then save it. So you can edit the log and save it, and then when you close the program, you'll be able to recall your previous entries. So unfortunately, I still don't have a way to print out this log. That's still a work in progress, but I do have a program that I use, and it's called MW Snap. And here you just select an area you want. So you click on any rectangle and snap any rectangle. And then you just highlight the area you want to copy. So we could just kind of go like so. And then you just select print. And it's that simple. Now there's other things with my navlog here that still need improving. This is a work in progress. And if you guys have any suggestions that might make this easier to use, please leave comments below so I can get some ideas from you guys. I would really appreciate that. So that's it. What you do here is you enter your information and you click on calculate. It calculates all the values for you, and then you click save leg 1, or you can fill them all out and you can just save them all. And next time you load up, you can load the leg and it'll put in your information. Now it's not going to save the estimated time or anything. It's just going to save these areas that are colored. These are the areas that you put in. So you can go to the X-Plane forum and download this little program for free. I'll have a link below linking you to the download page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please click the like button. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. I read all of my comments. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.